Yeah, guys. So what we are discussing today, we are discussing about the user administration. So in the user administration, how you are authenticate with your VM, guys, or instance, you are authenticating with your VM IP address or username, password, or a key, right? So you are authenticating with your username. So today we are discussing about the user administration. What is the user administration? So in this, this is your virtual machine. In this virtual machine, you install the CentOS 9. When the CentOS 9, you you created a two users. One is the normal user and other one is root user. Root user is the super user. Root user will creating while installing the OS. This is administrator user, and so the root user can do anything. Normal user, you can create the normal user after login to the root user. You can create a normal user, and the normal user, so normal user having certain limit of permissions. And normal user can execute only which commands, guys? The bin commands. Which commands we can execute? So the normal user can execute only the bin commands. Bin commands. A root user can execute. So root user can execute both the sbin and bin commands. Sbin and bin commands. A root user can execute both the sbin and bin. But a normal user can execute only bin commands. Bin commands. Guys understood? Guys understood?
Yes, you mentioned.
Yeah. So how many users we can create? So guys, yeah, how many users we can create? So we can create in line X, how many users? 60,000 users we can create. How many users? So 60,000 users will create in the Linux machine. So right, in 60,000, 0 to 999. So system itself uses. So what is that? So 0 to 9, system itself uses 0 to 9 guys. Its system itself uses 0 to 9. Yeah. So what is the something like this is the 60,000, right? So we call it as a UID. UID is nothing but a user ID. So GID. So GID is nothing but a group ID. What is that? So we can create the user 60,000 users as well as 60,000 groups. So 60,000 groups, guys. The UID, so root user UID is something like a 0 is the root user UID. 0 is the root user UID from 1000. What is that? 1000 to 60,000. So 1000 to 60,000. So we can use for all general users or general users uses. Okay. So what is the UID of the root user, guys? What is the UID of the root user is 0. What is the UID of the root user is 0. So normal user UID starts from 1000 onwards. So what is the home directory for the root user? Home layer for the root user is /root. Guys, now you understood? So in the Linux file system hierarchy, /root is nothing but a home directory for the root user. What is the home directory for the normal user? Normal user's home directory will be created under the /home. So normal user's home directory will be created under the /home. Guys, understood? This is the home user's home directory for the root user, home directory for the normal user. The home normal user's UID starts from 1000 by default. So UID starts from 1000 by default in the normal user. Guys, understood? Now you understood the so something like 1000 to 60,000 all general users uses. So for example, Hari user. If you create a Hari user will get the UID equal to 1000. How many? 1000 user, 1000 the UID is, UID is nothing but a unique identifier. So unique identifier. Guys, understood? So we can
How will
create
the
the,
directory be, Hari, in this case?
sorry?
How does the directory look like in the if your unique ID is 1000 how
Hmm.
will the directory be? Will it be slash home slash 1000 or will it be slash home slash Hari slash 1000?
Yeah, I will tell you. Good question. The home directory will not change. The home directory is slash home Hari only. But the UID of the home directory is 1000. UID of the home directory is 1000. I will show you how to see the UID of the home directories. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So where do we give this name, Hari?
yeah. I will give you. I will how to create the users, right? So 1000
Yeah.
users. User administration means we need to create the normal users.
So,
How you can create the normal users? Creation of the normal user. Modification of the normal user. Creation of the normal user. I will tell you. Okay, and password creation for the users. Password creation for the users. Password reset for the users. So we can create it. Okay, I will show you. I will show you. Okay.